Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the DSTV Premiership. Orlando Pirates 1, Sekhukhune United 1. I'm joined by a fan. My brother, what's your name? Where are you from?
My name is Norman Ragu. I'm from Zone 5 in Meadowlands.
Yeah, okay. What did you think about today's game?
No, let me tell you something. These guys, they came here with a game plan.
Yes, sir.
They just wanted this 1 point.
Yes, sir.
Because you know what, at the end of the day, it looked like they wanted to come and test us to see our tactics and how we play, and at the end of the day, they take that video, they take it back to the final.
Yes, sir.
Yes, and then at the end of the day, you know what happened also? This guy is really, I don't know what was, there was no spirit today. There was no spirit today. Really, I'm disappointed because really some guys, because you must know guys like Tim didn't play today.
Yes, sir.
So they could have just at least pick up their socks.
Yes,
I mean, guys like Makaringe, at that point, really, I'm disappointed with that boy because I don't know what is happening. Is it because of his lack of game time,
yes,
or
sir,
I don't know what is happening? But you know what, really, I was disappointed with him.
Yes,
today.
sir.
So, but you know what, at the end of the day, we were happy for the point.
Yes, sir.
We're happy for this point. You know, let me tell you something.
Yes, sir.
We are not going to look at Super Sport. We are not going to look at nobody else. We're fighting our own battle.
Yes, sir.
We're fighting, and I know, I'm confident at the end of the day, we are going to get this number 2 spot.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Also, you get in the number 2 no matter what.
Yes, we're going to get this number 2 spot because you know what, goal difference, we are scoring.
Yes, sir.
It's been 3 months that Pirates are scoring each and every week.
Yes, sir.
So you know what, it's okay. It's okay. The boys are tired.
Yeah.
I won't blame them. They are tired.
Yeah.
They played. It's been a long season, and you know what, last week game took really a lot out of them.
Yeah.
Took a lot out of them. So, but you know what, I'm proud of the boys.
Yeah. But today's result, is it like a concern for the Nedbank Cup semi-finals?
Not really, because you know what, if you can look, some guys did not play, guys like CBC, Team, and some, you know what, we gave other guys a chance today.
Yes, sir.
So you know what, as Mapagania supporters,
yes, sir,
we wouldn't give up hope. It's really been a long season, and we just have to keep up this guy so that if they go into that final, they must really have the spirit to go and win this final.
Okay, who was the man of the match today?
Really, I didn't see nobody man of the match today. Really, let me say between Koki and Chugomanja. Yeah.
But give it to one.
Yeah, let me say I'm going to give it to Koki.
To Koki?
Yes.
Okay, I just have one final question because we're nearing the end of the season. Who was the player of the season?
You know what, Mona Puleng Saleh.
Munale Saleh?
Yes.
That's your guy?
That's my guy.
Yeah.
I'm telling you.
Yeah, okay.
Mona Puleng Saleh.
Okay, brother, thank you very much.
Thank you, brother.